Riga, Latvia, a Russian prosecutor on Friday accused WNBA star Brittney Griner of transporting a significant amount of cannabis oil, according to Russian media reports on her trial, where she faces 10 years in prison if convicted. The quantity cited by the prosecutor was 0.702 grams, or about 0.02 of an ounce, the Russian state media reported. Griner arrived at the courtroom in the Moscow suburb of Khimki wearing handcuffs and a Jimi Hendrix t-shirt to face charges that she was carrying vape cartridges containing cannabis oil in her baggage at a Moscow airport in February, a week before Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Griner, seated in a cage in the courtroom with a bottle of water and a bag of cookies, said she understood the charges. She did not enter a plea. Court officials initially barred media and cameras from the court, according to Russian media, but several journalists were later admitted. The court heard testimony from a senior customs official, who said it had been customs officers that found vape canisters in Griner's baggage containing cannabis oil, state media reported. According to the expert's conclusion, the detected substance is cannabis oil, which is subject to control on T. Griner's lawyer Alexander Boykov, who spoke briefly to reporters after the case adjourned, said she did not make any comment on the charges, reserving the right to do so later. Another of her lawyers, Maria Blagovolina, said Griner had no complaints over the conditions of her detention. The court adjourned until July 7 to hear more evidence from witnesses. Griner has been in custody since February and will remain there until December, pending the outcome of her trial. U.S. Charged Affairs Elizabeth Root and other EU diplomats attended her hearing. Root said that the United States was working at the highest levels to bring home Griner and all other Americans wrongfully detained around the globe. We care deeply about this case and about Ms. Griner's welfare, as do so many Americans, and as we do with all you citizen prisoners overseas. We were able to speak to Ms. Griner in the courtroom today. She is doing as well as can be expected in these difficult circumstances, Root said in an emailed statement. Griner's case has been complicated by the severe downturn in relations between Washington and Moscow, and her supporters say she is a hostage and political pawn. The Russian Federation has wrongfully detained Brittney Griner, Root's statement added. The practice of wrongful detention is unacceptable wherever it occurs and is a threat to the safety of everyone traveling, working, and living abroad.